take this image and create it into a cool animated AI video just like this that you can use for your socials, for a client, etc. So I've created a video like this for an actual client, and the tool I used was CapCut, and it's got Seed Dance too, so that's an AI model. So it's a video and image generation tool that you can use. There's other ones out there, Kling 3.0. Google has got its own image and video generation tool as well. So let's dive in. So open up CapCut, go into AI Lab, click Seed Dance 2, add your reference image, and then the prompt is going to be along the lines of create an ethereal video with the milkshake rising up and spinning gracefully with its ingredients swirling around it and then returning back to the original state. The ingredients include milk, ice cream, strawberry sauce, strawberries, and pink sprinkles. Aspect ratio 9/16. Resolution 720p, and then we'll make it 5 seconds long, and then click go, and it'll take up some credits, so usually about 50 credits for this. Click confirm. So in CapCut you get 1200 credits in the Pro plan, and then you can purchase more as well. So it'll take about 60 seconds to about 2-3 minutes, and as you can see there's different suggestions to enhance and improve. So I'm going to forward the video at this point so we don't have to wait. Look at the results. Amazing. I'm actually really happy with that. What you can do next is adjust it if you want, slow it down a bit, or remove the audio, replace the audio, etc. I'm actually really happy with that. What I can add is some text, so order now. Add that to the bottom, and then you can use a different font. I quite like this one, and then you can add an animation, so something like that, something that looks a bit ethereal as well. It's got full screen. Awesome, look at that, brilliant. Hit export, and then that's it, done. So I've actually used this as part of the stories, and not a reel, but just posting on the stories for some of my clients, and it mixes up the content here and there. So if you enjoyed this video, if you find this helpful, please do subscribe. I'm going to be sharing more hints and tips, and also my journey as a freelance content marketer, doing social media management, and exceedingly starting to use more AI tools. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.